How dare you, Dad? Grady, Wady. Is Daddy not sharing? Go, Grady. Go, Grady. That's his chance. Oh, food break. No, give that to him right now.
He's a little bird.
I know.
My brother.
Oh, you better share with her brother.
You better share with my brother. That's not nice.
Oh.
Excuse me.
Nobody messes with their brother.
Well, Bubba's been getting bites. Look at his shirt. The proof is on the chest. Not in the pudding, on the chest.